Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery drain on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first we're going to go over and open up the settings. So in the settings, we want to go to battery, and in the battery, we want to detect an app that is draining power even if we are on standby. So it's very important that you look for the apps that are running a lot in the background. So for example, One UI Home is running 5 hours in the background, but since it is the system app, you cannot do anything to it. For example, camera, it's running less than 1 minute, so it's really not that big of a deal. Google is running 9 hours, but as you guys can see, if I stop Google, then it will destroy everything. But for now, it is stopped, so we can just keep it like that. And now what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we also try and go over to the lock screen and AOD. Once we are in the lock screen and AOD, make sure that you disable always on display, because it also drains our battery, not by much, but every single percent counts. That's why we want to make sure that it is turned off. What are we going to do next is we want to make sure that we take care of our cache. So if we have some apps that we really like to use, then you should see them in the apps. For example, if you click on it, if you go over and you see the storage, then you can click on clear cache. We're clearing 158 megabytes of cache, and we can do that for our top 3 used apps, for example. So that's what we can do here. Now, of course, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is update your software. So go over to software update. Now click check for updates, and you should see if you are on the latest version. As you guys can see, I am, but if you're not, you will see the button at the bottom right corner that you can update your software, that you can download and install it. Then you will restart your phone and you'll be done. So that's what you guys can do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.